In this video, I will be showing you some graphic hacks, okay? Something that can allow you create some very nice designs, some tricks in your CorelDraw. So we'll be taking a look at drawing something you can equally use to spice up your designs. I'll get a heart shape from your basic shape. I'll be looking for a heart shape. Okay. So this design will involve the use of some of your shaping tools, like your weld, your trim intersect. In our previous videos, we've also made use of these shaping tools to create some very nice drawings. So I'll be using them too on this video to create this quality graphics we're about to see. So I have my heart symbol, my heart shape here, and then I'll get a circle, maybe a bit smaller. We intend making this circle go around this heart shape, but before then, let's blend it. The blending, before you blend object, there should be two copies of that object. One act as your starting point, one act as your end point. I can launch my blend panel. From your effect menu, you see your blend. This is your blend panel. The docker comes up here on your right hand side. So I'll be blending these objects. When you talk about blending them, you're referring to multiplying them. So I'll select the two objects, and then that's how you blend. You want to multiply them to fill up this space with copies of the selected object. So you have to get two copies of the object, one act as your starting point, one act as your ending point. You simply select both of them. In default, you have 20 steps here. Object blend 20. So once you click on apply, so you have a total of 20 objects here. I can use something else to blend. It can be anything at all. It can be an alphabet. You can select both of them. So you can achieve something like this. This is your blend. So you can equally blend anything. So we're done with this. This is my blend. The next thing I'm taking a look at now is how to place this object around this heart shape. I want it to go round. So how do I go about it? Select the blended object and come down to this down pointing arrow here on this blend panel. Click on it, and then you will see other options. Down here you have path properties. Your path properties gives you a new option here called new path. So this new path allowed me to blend this object on this other shape. I blend these other selected circles on this part shape here. So how do I do that? By making sure these circles, the blended circles, are selected, and then come down to your part properties here on the blend docker. Then you see your new part. Then you see a down pointing arrow. With the help of the down pointing arrow, use it to click on the part you wish to blend on. I want these circles selected to blend on this part, so I have to specify the part with the down pointing arrow by clicking on it. This is what you have. So I might equally like to add more circles. I can change this 20 here to 30. You can press your enter. I can increase it as much as I want, 50. Then you apply. Now the next thing I need to do is to make it go round. In other words, blend along the full part of this shape. This is where you get that done. Indicate this box. Make sure you check it. It's called blend along full part. Once it's checked, apply again and see what happens. The circles is now blended along the full part of the heart shape. You can as well choose to increase more of the circles or reduce it, depending on how you want your design to be. Alright, after blending it along the full part, we are done with the blend docker here. Its job is done. I can close it. The next thing I can do from here is to separate all these objects together. How do I do that? Also make sure they are all selected. Go down to your arrange menu. You see your break blend apart. You break this blend apart. In our previous videos, we did a similar thing that we need to come down here too and break the blend apart. So if you've not been following up, try and watch the previous videos, okay, to actually get you more acquainted with this environment and some other things we've actually done. So I'll be clicking on this break blend apart. After that, I'll go back to arrange again and then ungroup all. We have ungroup and we have ungroup all. Make sure you're taking ungroup all. In this case, everything here is individually on its own. So I can actually move a single of these shapes around, but let me Ctrl Z, undo, to return them back the way they are. This allows me to fill this with different colors. I can select each of these objects and fill them with different colors, but that's by the way. I'm coming to that. So the next thing I'll do from here, I'll now deploy some other tools like your shaping tools. Shaping, weld trim, I can deploy anyone to get whatever I want. Let me duplicate this stuff and keep it aside. So I'll be selecting this entire object, all the shapes here joined together, then I'll weld. Remember, you can also get your shapings from here: weld, trim, intersect. Same way I can get them from shaping, weld, trim, intersect. So let me make advantage of my property bar. So I'll take advantage of this property bar and then weld. This is what you have. I can give it, fill it a color, duplicate it, and fill the duplicated copy a different color. This one behind now acting as the shadow, which you can also change the color. Okay, I can keep this aside. This one too. Let me bring a copy of this. So I'll be doing the same weld again to this one, but before then, let me take off this heart shape at the center. So I'm taking off this heart shape. Let me select the remaining objects and then weld again. This is what I get. Now you see the difference. Leaving the heart shape inside, weld gives you this. Taking off the heart shape, weld again, gives you this. So if you've been wondering on how to get this amazing graphic here, this is it. You can use it in your wedding invitation cards, you know, your greeting cards. I can select them, you know. You can make your very nice graphics. This is beautiful. I can group them or pick your group from here. This is beautiful. Alright, so always make sure you practice this. Keep your system very close to you. As you watch the videos, you try to practice what you've just learned. Try to follow us. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Click on your subscription button and then subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, simply drop your comment too on the comment section. If you're having any challenges concerning your CorelDraw, please kindly drop your comment on the comment box and I will do a video on that to put you through. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos, okay? We have a whole lot of tutorial videos that have already been done. Please kindly go through them. This is beautiful. You can try this at home. You can form very beautiful designs. I can fill this with some nice pattern colors. we mentioned about this pattern fields. Wow, this is beautiful. Thank you for being part of this amazing tutorial. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly click on your subscription button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos on CorelDraw tutorial tricks and hacks in creating beautiful graphics. Thank you.